The most important thing you can do today to grow your YouTube channel. I'm making this video for you because today I got asked the question, where do I spend my time if I want to grow my YouTube channel? And the place where you need to start looking is, where is your channel growth being slowed down? Where is your bottleneck? What's holding back your channel from real growth? And most of the new YouTubers that I work with, their main bottleneck, the main thing holding back their channel is getting more people to click on their video. So what do we really need to focus on to get more clicks for you on your YouTube channel? There are three main things that we need to focus on. It's your video idea, it's your title, and it's your thumbnail. Those are the three things that are going to get people interested in actually clicking on your video. If you choose a video idea that's not interesting to your audience, that no one really cares about, then they have no incentive to click on your video and actually start watching. So make sure the video ideas that we're finding to make videos about, to invest our time in, is something that our audience is actually interested in. The next thing we want to do is make sure we make a thumbnail that captures their attention, that gets them interested, that gets them curious. Create a thumbnail that makes them start asking questions about what is inside your video. And the answers that they need to get for those questions, they can only get if they click and start watching your video. And then the third piece of the puzzle there is your title. I really want you to spend time on making a title that is interesting and exciting and creating curiosity together with that thumbnail. Now, a lot of you new YouTubers, I know when I say these three things are the things we should spend the most time on, are completely shocked. Because if you look at the last video that you made for your YouTube channel, I can pretty much guess that you spent most of your time editing that video. And all that editing time, is it really moving the needle? Is it really adding value to grow your YouTube channel? When we're starting out in our YouTube journey, our time is the most valuable thing. And choosing where to spend that time is going to determine whether you grow your YouTube channel in the next 28 days, or whether it's going to take you 12 months, 18 months, 24 months to actually see real growth on your YouTube channel. And I like to talk about it in the 80-20 principle. We are going to get 80% of our YouTube growth from 20% of the actions that we put into our channel, the investment, the implementation that we put into growing our YouTube channel. So are we spending that time on the right things that are going to give us 80% of the results? If we're spending it on editing, if we're trying to create these fancy motion graphics, these fancy titles, these fancy sound effects, if we're color grading our footage, we're probably not spending that time on the right thing to grow our YouTube channel. So I want you to take a step back today and really start thinking about your next video. How can you spend the right time on the right things so that we can move the needle and grow your YouTube channel? We want to be picking good topics that our audience is interested in. We want to be creating thumbnails that gets our audience curious, asking questions, and getting them clicking on our videos. And we want to create titles that our audience is interested in and wants to actually watch a video about. That's the first piece of the puzzle. The second piece of the puzzle is engaging your audience and getting them to watch your video for a longer time period. We're not going to get into that today because I know that 99% of you should all be spending time on getting more clicks. That's going to give you the best bang for your buck and the best growth for your YouTube channel. If you are in that second stage and you want me to make a video about how to increase retention and engagement in your videos, then let me know in the comment section down below. If you need help on these first three pieces of the puzzle, choosing better video ideas, creating better thumbnails, writing better titles, the best way for you to improve really quickly is, one, to come up with lots of video ideas. I always say, create 10 video ideas every single day and start building up a video ideas bank that you can draw from and look at when you are deciding what videos to make. If you can do 10 every single day, you are going to improve really quickly and start getting better at identifying what are the video ideas that my audience actually wants to watch. And this is the main reason why we built the YouTube Mastermind free community, is so that you can get feedback on which video ideas you should make. you can get feedback on the thumbnails that you create for your video. So you should be creating at least minimum 3 to 5 thumbnails for every single video that you make on your channel. And then if you can, before you publish your video, come and share those 3 to 5 thumbnails in the community. We can all vote on them and you can get feedback before your audience even sees the video. Then we can make improvements on those thumbnails. So the thumbnails that we use once we publish our video, or the 3 thumbnails that we decide on to A/B test in the video that you publish, are going to be a step up. The quality is going to be better. You're going to already have improved it. And this is going to make a massive difference to your initial growth on YouTube. I know when Joe started doing this, he started optimizing his thumbnails. He was getting to 20, 30 thumbnail variations per video. So that the final one that we came up with, that we were publishing on his video, was 20, 30, 40% better than the original versions that we made. And that's what managed him to break out and start getting the views that got his channel to monetization and is really reaching new heights for his YouTube channel and getting attention with his audience because they're interested in them. So if you want to get feedback on your thumbnails, I'll leave a link for you to our free YouTube community where you can come and share your ideas, you can share your thumbnails, and you can also share your title ideas because there are a lot of small little tweaks that we can do to your titles to make them 5, 10, even 20% better, which is going to get you more clicks and get you more views. And that's really what I want to do for you guys. I want to help you grow your YouTube channel because I know how much it can change your life if you can get attention from the audience that you can help the most, and you can help transform them by sharing your videos, by sharing your knowledge and sharing your experience. You have amazing knowledge in your head right now, and I want to help you to share that with the people that you can help the most, and we can make the world a better place. So I'm super excited to see you inside the community and to help you grow your YouTube channel by improving the 3 most important things that we spoke about today. If there are any specific one of those 3 that you want me to go and make a deep dive video on, then let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to make a video for you guys going into a nice deep dive on that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you inside the community.